Hi, I'm Ollie and you're watching Classic Airsoft. Speaking of classic, this is a classic, the Tokyo Marui Spas12 shotgun. This thing is around for some years, I think around 20 years, still in production, and you can get it brand new. But what you can't get is the thing that makes this shotgun to a holy grail. The Tokyo Marui Spas12 metal folding stock. This one was only produced for a short period of time, so you can't get it anymore. But there are now third-party stocks from Octagon Airsoft. They copied the real Tokyo Marui stock very good, so you can go for the Octagon Airsoft stock, because I bet you can't find an original Tokyo Marui stock. That is what it makes this Spas12 to a holy grail. If you're into Airsoft, you will know what I mean. So this Tokyo Marui Spas12 with the original stock selling for around 1,000 to 1,600 US dollars, if you can find one. So let's bring the beauty in the picture. So here she is, the Tokyo Marui Spas12. Known from Jurassic Park, Stargate, different computer games, Hollywood movies. This is an iconic shotgun. For me, this is the best looking shotgun ever. I don't know why no other Airsoft brand or manufacturer is building one. So, for example, a gas version. I found a gas version, a custom gun on the internet, on YouTube. That looks really cool. The dude took Tokyo Marui Spas12 and changed all the internals with an Maruzen M1100 GBB. So that's pretty cool. But this is the original, normal, spring-powered Tokyo Marui Spas12. Let's get the muzzle cap away. So this one is made out of plastic, except from some parts like the outer barrel, the shell tube, sling swivel, of course the metal folding stock, then the handle from the bolt, the trigger, this lever to open up the shell flap. Speaking of the trapdoor from the shell, I don't know, inlet. This one uses the Tokyo Marui shotgun shell magazines. These magazines hold 30 rounds. You just put it in from the top and then you can shoot 10 times, because the shotgun has 3 inner barrels. With every pump you load 3 rounds, and with every shot you shoot 3 BBs. Makes sense, huh? So marking wise, on the right side we have Spas12, Tokyo Marui Co. Limited, made in Japan, ASGK. That's it. And then on the other side, marking wise, there is only the German proof mark, the F, some import markings, and that's it. Then if we open up the stock by pressing this button, we can flip up this thing. Now we have a carrying handle, like a neat beauty case. And to unflip it completely, we have to press this button as well. And then you can flip it over and have the whole beauty unfolded. Nice. So marking wise, on the top we have A for automatic and M for manual, some lines. So this is like on the real Spas12. It indicates where the pump grip has to be for the different operating modes. The real Spas12 is in automatic mode, so then it's an semi-automatic, so you just have to pull the trigger and you can fire round after round. For that you have to push this button on the real one. Move the handle a little bit forward, that this line indicates with this thing, and then you are in automatic mode. If you want to use it as a pump gun, then you have to push the button, rag it back, like on the Marui copy. The thing indicates with this line, so it's on manual mode. You have to pump it, then you can fire it. So the safety is out of metal as well. Now the gun is safe. Push it forward, you can fire. This one is as well, the iron sights, so they are as well out of metal. Yeah, that's it. That's the Spas12 by Tokyo Marui. If you get one, it will deliver it in a package with one shotgun shell. You can buy the original Marui shotgun shells, the green ones, the white ones, and even the Cyma ones and other third-party ones. They will fit if it's the same system. So you can use the double eagle ones, Cyma, as I told you. Yeah, nearly everything from China. It's much cheaper, but not so cool looking. To get the gun ready to shoot, you have to load the shells. I did this before, just with 1 BB to chrono the gun. Speaking of chrono the gun, the problem is it has 3 inner birds. So when you shoot it through the chronograph, the readings are not correct. So I have to do it with just 1 BB loaded to prepare the gun for shooting. Push this lever, the flap will open, insert the shotgun shell, close the lever, then you can rack it, and now you're ready to go. Put the shotgun on safe, the chronograph. So let's take a look at the chrono readings. Oh, that didn't count. I don't know why. So let's get the shotgun shell out. Load the next one in. (259.6 FPS). Let's load the next one. (254.6 FPS). So as you can see, the shotgun has around 0.6 joule. It means 255 to 260 feet per second. For CQB use, this is kind of neat gun. It's not gas powered, so you don't have to worry in cold temperatures. But you have to rack the handle with a little bit more force. You have to tension the spring, compress the spring by your own force. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please leave a comment. If no, that's my fault. Sorry for that. But in the future, I will get a studio, and then you can see me, and then you can see all my guns on a shooting range. I promise there will be lots of nice content. Sorry for my bad English. I mean, in the future, I produce more content and I will present it to you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.